Solo 4 with techniques. This solo combines shape 1 and shape 2, and now you'll increase the amount of techniques, making it a bit more challenging. You should try to focus on visualizing the shape that you're in along with the techniques. In section 1, you'll add quarter tone bends, vibrato, and pull-offs, which sounds like this. Pay special attention to the different bends used and the links they are held for in this section. Section 2 is a bit tricky, as you'll slide between shape 1 and 2 multiple times, so you may need to give this part some extra practice. This is a great exercise for practicing sliding between shapes, so try to visualize the shapes even when sliding between them. This section uses a slide, hammer-on, slide sequence of techniques, which creates a smooth flow between the notes and shapes involved, helping you avoid excessive hand movements. For the third and final section, you'll add pull-offs, quarter tone bends, and vibrato, which sounds like this. Pull-offs add unique and subtle nuances to your lead playing, and it's important to make sure each of the pull-off motions are quick and consistent. Now, let's play through the complete solo, paying special attention to the essential techniques being used.